Hey everybody, welcome back to Durbins Bourbon. Happy Thanksgiving. Today we're going to be doing a Thanksgiving cocktail. A little shout out to Its Bourbon Night. I got the recipe from them. Sarah goes through and makes it, and I thought, well, I'll try that. That was last year. It is freaking amazing.
We're going to try to put the ingredients up on there like a bubble thing.
Yeah.
If we can figure it out, or if Megan can figure it out, but
yeah, when she edits,
they're super delicious. Something awesome for Thanksgiving.
Yep, and you use a pumpkin simple syrup, and that will be also in the description on how to make that pumpkin simple syrup. It's not really that complicated, and it adds a lot to it. It actually makes the part of the cocktail. It's really simple to make. Once you have your simple syrup, you can make a bunch of it like I did last year and freeze it and then thaw it out for Thanksgiving like we're doing today. So what we're going to start out with is some ice in your mixing glass. We'll throw a little, actually you don't need to put the ice in first, so I'm not going to, but the first thing you need is 1.5 ounces for a single serving, so we're going to do it for 2, so it would be 1.5 ounces times 2.
And what kind of whiskey we're using for this turkey day?
The best whiskey is Wild Turkey 101. If
it's a must.
It is a must, and also
unless you don't have it, then you can use something else.
You can, but I would recommend it. I know actually over on the It's a Bourbon Night, Sarah and Chad tried to make this cocktail with a lot of other whiskeys, and they said it did not taste the same.
Good to know.
So save yourself the time. Pick up some Wild Turkey because it's Thanksgiving and turkey. It goes together. So we're going to make a double, so it's 3 ounces instead of the regular single serving 1.5 ounces of Wild Turkey. So we're going to do, this is 1.5 ounces jigger. So we're going to do 2 of these. 1. And 2. Then you need 1 ounce of pumpkin simple syrup for a single serving.
That or anything? It looks like
I stirred it.
Like
you can
4 hours ago.
Yeah, we'll shake it up a little.
Looks like it's collecting at the bottom.
It does settle because there's ginger, fresh grated ginger, pumpkin, and some allspice, some other spices. For Thanksgiving spices go into this. You put it on a pan and you reduce it down, and then it creates your simple syrup. You put sugar and stuff in there. We'll get the recipe and we'll attach it to the description in the bottom. So there you go. And it's going to be 2 ounces in here.
I spilled my water.
Some water. So.
That's awesome.
1.
I'm going to clean this up real quick while you do that.
Okay. And 2. So 2 ounces of your pumpkin simple syrup for a 2-person drink cocktail. If you need a big towel, you can grab a big towel, probably from the green towel in the bathroom. That'll be perfect. So another cool thing, we'll stir this up, is to add to the cocktail. You want to.
That was an entire glass of water.
That was. So you stir it up a little bit, mix it up. Now, another cool thing you want to do is you want to rim your glass. I've got one rimmed already, and you have a separate container off to the side that has cinnamon sugar. So now just take some regular simple syrup and run that around your glass, the rim, and it's super sticky. If any of you know about simple syrup, the stuff is crazy sticky. So you get a good portion around your glass, let it drip a little, and then, boy, that's sweet. Then simply get it. I have a container here that I just store cinnamon and sugar in it, a blend. And there you have a nicely rimmed cinnamon and sugar glass. Now,
I'm like a good rim.
Nothing like it. Now throw a little ice if you're fancy and you're doing it, people, you can use tongs. We're like family.
I'm offended.
So, and I just washed my hands. A couple chunks of ice in there.
Just wash your hands.
I washed them this year. So there we go. I'm gonna put this in the freezer here. And you get, could you grab me the Hawthorne strainer, buddy?
Surely.
All right. So then you pour your cocktail there. Cocktail here. Try and make it even. And you add to this a good quality cider, apple cider. This is just treetop. It's a good fresh cider. It's not made out of concentrate. I wouldn't recommend using the concentrate. About 6 ounces if you like it with ice. I've had it both ways, without ice and with ice. I personally think it's better with ice. Chad and Sarah over on Its Bourbon Night also preferred it with ice when they tried it. So there's some fellow drinkers that agree. A nice chilled cocktail for Thanksgiving. And this is the Thanksgiving cocktail.
Is it called anything or just?
It didn't really have a name. It was just a Thanksgiving bourbon cocktail.
With wild turkey.
With wild turkey preferred. Nice nice smell. It just smells like Thanksgiving. So everybody out there, happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Like and subscribe. Remember, always enjoy your whiskey or bourbons and
Any way
your
you like.
cocktails. Any way you like. I screwed that up, buddy.
No, you
Cheers.
That was a preemptive strike.
That is tasty.
Tastes like the holidays.
It does.
It's like apple pie and pumpkin pie mixed together.
It is. That's a good drink.
Which will be on my plate.
Heck yeah. Enjoy your holidays, everybody.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That was good.
Yeah.